Look at me. Just scream. Just give me a picture of that. I'll show you the visual. It gets print.
Not very many people know about me is that I happen to have Burmese roots. My great-grandmother from my mother's side actually is Burmese. My grandfather was born in Rangoon, and walking into Sitara Studios and being part of Gaurav's exhibition of Burmese revolutionary art, for me is like revisiting my past and reclaiming my roots that I actually ignored really hugely in the last 40 years of my life. So I think that it takes Gaurav Yadav from Haryana to kind of go to Burma and to kind of feel so strongly for these people, connect with these artists and form a relationship with them, to be able to have them trust him enough to bring their best works back to India, to Mumbai, where someone like me can stand here in front of this gorgeous portrait and feel closer to home. So I think that more power to him and more power to Sitara for being able to host this, and I do hope that more people come out and actually read these fascinating stories behind all of these canvases, to understand that these people create art at great risk to their life. It's like when people in Afghanistan during the reign of the Taliban actually made films or held on to kind of archives of film footage. They did so at the cost of their lives, and we artists have the privilege of being able to think aloud, create aloud without having this kind of pall of death hang over our head. So I just feel nothing but humility, inspiration and great gratitude to Gaurav for being able to allow me to immerse myself in my roots. Thank you, and do come and watch.
Tuning into the hearts of the Burmese people through these paintings was one hell of an experience for me. Gaurav Yadav has done the impossible. He has travelled through Burma, touched the hearts of the people of that region, and expressed what he felt deeply through his paintings. Coming here,
going to view against development the wrong way. Like we have really beautiful old colonial buildings which have been taken over by buildings which are very